Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Omni. Welcome to our channel. Today, the machine behind us is the Omni Fiber Laser Cutting Machine with 12 kilowatt. We are honored to have engineer Xi from Retools join us today to demonstrate the fiber laser cutting machine. And then there will be a brief introduction of this fiber laser cutting machine 12 kilowatt, so please stay tuned. In this demo, we will cut carbon steel for 35mm and 45mm. And also will cut the stainless steel for 12mm. And in this video, we keep the sound with the video so you can see the cutting speed and performance. So please stay with us, and if you prefer to see the cutting result, you can skip ahead to it directly. The working size is 2.5 meters in X direction and 15 meters in Y direction. Let's take a closer look. This machine working speed can up to 150 meters per minute. Acceleration can up to 1.5 G. Its control system is Retools. The operation screen is very similar to FastCut. Combine its smart cutting head, it can sense the feedback of cutting head status in process. This head with built-in sensor which can sense the input and output focus, CG top and bottom temperature, focus length and cavity temperature, side collision, gas and cavity pressure. So there's lots of benefit if you purchase three-core system and its head together. Another feature is its core nozzle. Max Fiber Laser Source is manufactured by the Max Photonics. Max Fiber Laser is well known for their high power, high efficiency, and long lifespan. They are also relatively affordable and more stable than the brand start with R. Not like the welding wheel of other fiber laser suppliers. Omni pay more attention on the machine frame quality. We use 8mm tubes and adopt through-hole welding. Through-hole welding is a method of welding two square tubes together by passing one tube through the other one and welding it at both ends. This method is the best way to create strong and durable joints between square tubes, so we can ensure the Omni fiber laser cutting machine frame is very solid and ensure the high quality and at least can use 10 years without deformation. Gantry is built with material aviation aluminum. We all know that it is with high strength, lightweight, and corrosion resistance. Omni's gantry is with more fine design on the gantry inner design, which causes more precise cutting performance. Omni electrical parts and wiring in a CE compliant control cabinet. It is an important part of ensuring the safety of fiber laser machine and the people who operate. By using high precision, high one linear guide when YC helicorex, the laser machine can achieve improved accuracy, increased productivity, extended lifespan, and smoother operation. As an industrial chiller is more precise on the temperature control, and it is a very famous brand with high quality. Tech chain, chain sports, and water-air hoses are all important components of fiber laser cutting machine. By using high-quality components, Omni can ensure that your machine will operate smoothly and accurately for many years to come. Omni 12 kW high-power laser machine can help you achieve thick sheet metal cutting at high speed and precision, delivering the order in a short time and making you more competitive on the market. Contact us today to learn more.